Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is the 26th. Markets right now kind of reacting a little bit to the export sales numbers that were released at 7:30. Had very strong week last week as far as sales. And then this week, well, not so much. Corn, disappointing here this morning. Beans right around that million metric ton mark. Kind of neutral for beans, but negative now for wheat as well. So not good as far as the export front, but really the focus is going to be coming up on what's this quarterly stock number going to look like on Monday. That'll be released at 11 o'clock. And then behind that, the October supply and demand report. This quarterly stock number that we could see here on Monday, probably not going to be much of a surprise. Everyone's waiting to see what's going to happen on this next supply and demand report. What does that look like? What kind of yields do we have? And where do we stand as far as carryout? Those are going to be some big things. There's also chatter this morning that we're going to see more purchases from China as we get closer to next week. And we've got the Chinese delegates coming here again as far as negotiations and to further these talks on trade, but looking for more purchases for beans as well as pork. And so when you look at export sales to China today, for pork, they were kind of weak as well. So biggest purchaser of pork this week was Mexico, but we did have a lot of countries participate. But the big eye, all eyes on China and how that looks. Will we see some bigger purchases there or what as we get closer to these talks? So the market's going to be looking for that. Very quiet outside markets right now. The Dow up a little bit. Energy markets trying to firm up a little bit after a negative day yesterday. And the dollar right now kind of creeping a little bit lower, down about 10 cents to start the morning. Not a lot of news. Watch the news wires. We'll bring that to you guys here as we have it for you. But hope you guys have a great day today. We'll chat again with you tomorrow. Take care.